Yo guys, welcome back to the vlog. I know it's been such a long time since I gave you guys a video, but we're back into it now. We're gonna take Wago on a little cruise, but before that, I'm gonna kind of show you how she's looking so far right now. And I got the Royal 4s on today. If you guys know, you know. Shout out to Fresh Kicks, because that man knows. But this is how Wago is sitting right now. I know it's been a while, but nothing really has changed. I've just been super busy working on things and stuff like that. But I do plan on getting some stuff done with Wago pretty soon here. I've been really focused on the prelude as well. Okay, I'm in the car now. I just came in here because there's kind of some loud music going on outside, but right now I'm really just focused on the prelude. As some of you guys may know, I've been working on getting it turbocharged. It has a fully built motor into it, but we'll save that for another video. For now, I'm gonna throw you guys on the GoPro and we're gonna cruise around in Wago. Alrighty, I've got you guys here on the GoPro. Only other thing I've really done is I put like a different style shift knob in it. Just figured it was kind of cool, but nothing too fancy. So let's go ahead and see if she starts. And she started right up. As you guys can see, there still is a check engine light and she idles kind of high. It has to do with my TPS. I haven't really been working on the car a whole lot lately, so I haven't had a chance yet to dive into it. But I'm gonna check out the TPS. I'm also gonna check out my IACV and really just look around the whole intake manifold and see if there's anything that looks like it's malfunctioning or any type of filter that might just need to be cleaned off. But other than that, she drives pretty normally. So let's go rip her around a bit. It is a super beautiful day out. It's been pretty hot here. It's honestly been into the 90s, which for some of you guys that might be in Arizona or even Southern California, 95 probably is a pretty cool day. But here, 95 is actually pretty hot. And of course, I'm riding around in a 90s Honda with no AC, but I'm more of a windows down type of guy anyway. All right. Ultimately, I would say the goal for Wago is I want to fully build the H series that's in here, throw a turbo on it, and it'd be cool to make anywhere from 350 to even 500. I think 400 or 450 would be a pretty sweet spot in this car, and then from there really just clean her up cosmetically. The car isn't extremely fast, but I'd say it's quick enough to be fun. And this H series that's in here is a lot better than the F series that came in it from the factory. Those little second gear chirps never get old. Okay, so what's really weird is you guys can see the idle is like okay now, but sometimes it'll be like $2,000. I just don't understand why. Don't want a hydroplane. Clean M2. Well, homies, I hope you guys enjoyed that little ride along. I know it wasn't very long, but I figured I owed you guys something. The last time I uploaded about Wago, it's been about 3 or 4 months now. So I figured the least I could do was at least take you guys out for a little ride. I'd say she was handling pretty well today. She felt pretty solid, especially considering the fact it's like a 95-degree day today. She wasn't too shabby. I definitely need to get this check engine light figured out so we can get past this idling problem. But aside from that, once I'm able to get that done, I'm gonna pull the motor out, rebuild it. I already have rods for it, some Eagle H-beams, so I just need to get some pistons. And then from there, we're gonna focus on some cosmetic goodies and ultimately make this one of the dopest Accord wagons to be on the streets. If you guys made it all the way through the video, I really appreciate it. You guys know I'm just trying to build the channel one good video at a time. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace.